Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Neil and in today's video I'm gonna tackle another challenging geometry question. Let's dive right in and get started. As you can see in this figure, we have a circle and two triangles and we are looking for the measure of angle E, which is x. Okay, so we have four vertices A, B, C, D that lie on the circumference of a circle, so ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. And we know that in any cyclic quadrilateral, opposite interior angles like B and D add up to 180 degrees. And the same story for angles A and C. In fact, they are supplementary angles. Okay? And then another equation that we can write is using triangle FCD. In triangle FCD, or in any triangle, the sum of three interior angles is 180 degrees. In fact, angle F plus D plus C equals to 180 degrees. The measure of F is 2x and D is 3x. If you simplify, we will have 5x plus C equals to 180 degrees. This is the first equation. And then we have another triangle which is ADE, and the sum of three interior angles means A, D, and E would be 180 degrees. And D is 3x and E is x. By simplifying this equation, we have A plus 4x equals to 180 degrees. The second equation. So we have a system of equation for 1 and 2. So 5x plus C and 4x plus A equals to 180. But we have two equations with three variables, x, C, and A, and it's impossible to solve this system of equations. What can I do? We have that A plus C equals to 180 degrees. You can rewrite this equation as A equals to 180 minus C. In fact, you isolate A. And if you substitute 180 minus C in the second equation, the only variable that you have is C. So by this we can get rid of A. Okay, so let me rewrite this system of equation. 5 is x plus C is 180, and 4x plus, instead of A, we will have 180 minus C. And you can, let me rewrite the first one. These two cancel out, so 4x minus C would be 0. You can add these two equations, 5x plus 4x is 9x, C and negative C cancel out, and 180 plus 0 is 180. So x is 180 over 9. 20 degrees, the answer of x. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.